had to make some very tough decisions. We're not judging them, we're not saying whether they were right, whether they were wrong. They did something heroic in the end. We thankfully live in a time and we can do almost anything we want. We have opportunities to make choices about our Judaism. We don't have to kill ourselves for that. We don't have to do anything so dramatic. But we do have to choose something. The fact that we're Jewish is a great thing. But we can choose to enhance it, to learn more about it, to do something about it. I think that this is a good place that each one of you, in your own heart, to yourselves, between you and yourself and God, make a commitment, make a choice. You don't have to fall on your sword. Make that commitment. Now we're going to go in here, and in there, there's a guy. He's alive and well, and he's got air conditioning. But he's doing something very, very special. He's in the same room where they found the scrolls, and what he's doing right now, he's writing a new Torah, a Masada Torah. And we could watch him do that. Right this moment, he's actually writing a scroll of a mezuzah for somebody. He's a real, honest-to-goodness scribe, and he's writing a Torah here. You can all become part of that Torah by donating, or it's a custom to purchase a letter in a Torah. I have an opportunity to buy a letter in the Masada Torah. That's the pitch I'm making. Go in there, take a look what's going on. You might even tell us something. But let me see if